Hey, it's Frank Dierdorf, that one web guy, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to remove an image background from a photo that you may have. Now, this may come in useful when you're trying to create a product, or maybe you're creating banners or graphics for your website, or maybe you're creating for a book or something like that, and you're trying to compose different images in together. So a lot of times you'll get an image from a stock photo site or someplace like that, or a photo that you've taken yourself that you want to apply in a situation, but the background is getting in the way. So this service is a free service. It comes in really handy. It's for removing, as I said, image backgrounds. It's 100% automatically and free, it says. All you need to do is upload a file, and then it removes the background, and then you just download it. As you can see here, some examples as we look through the website here. So you can just scroll through, so if you have an original, something like this, you remove the background, then you can use it however that you're wanting to use it. They have some, I think these are kind of cool how they have the sliders here, but you can see with the background and without the background and how you could use it there. They have some other samples here, like for products. So, remove the background from the image there, so you can find stock photos like this, and you can remove it. So let's click on see more samples. So you can see how there's one with a textured background, and they've removed it so that you could use it somewhere else, maybe a picture of your car, or whatever you want to use it for, different graphics. Sometimes, as I said, you're trying to create banners, advertising banners for your website, or you're trying to create a product, trying to create a t-shirt where you need a sea turtle. So you go to some of the free places to get a photo like that, but trying to create the background or remove the background can be a headache. So as you can see, this site does it well for you. You can see that they do a great job on removing the background, even with the hair there. There's some coloration there, but that will blend in as you're putting it together with your product. So you can see how well a job it does, even with the clouds being the similar color to what the bird is here. It's removed the background. So I just want to go ahead and try one here so that you can see it. We're going to upload an image, so we can drag or drop it. Actually, I can just click this one here. It's going to remove the background, and there we go. It's removed the complete background. It's actually did too well of a job, because it removed more than what I really wanted. So there's our original. It took out even like the book here and things like that. But I can actually crop this down and get rid of, just make this straight across here and use that for what I want. And then all I need to do is either download it or download the HD version. I'm just going to do the regular version. And you'll be able to use that in the way that I need to. So, of course, they're recommend using it in Canva. I'll have a video for that later, but this is Remove BG, or remove background. It's found at remove.bg, or you can just click the link below the video. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and maybe something that you can use for your arsenal of tools. So thanks, and I'll be back with another video soon.